Hey everybody, it's your girl Natalie Negrotti. A lot of you know me from the challenge from Big Brother, but you all know me from having brown hair. Today, I'm going to show you guys how to do an amazing and fun Halloween makeover to look like one of your favorite Game of Thrones characters. So I'm going to show you how to turn this into this. Y'all remember how Cam did my hair? I'm gonna try to remember how to put on my wig.
Who is she?
Alright guys, Cam is about to do my hair.
I'm excited.
Show us the Cam collection box. So I got my Cam collection wig. We're about to show you my first time.
Customer, and I'm about to take care of the hair.
Yes.
She cut hair short. In 2 seconds, hair will be long.
So this is my first time doing a wig, and we're about to see how I'm gonna look.
Okay.
All I know is I need to plaster down my hair as much as possible. So Cam, I hope I do you proud. Now I'm gonna put some hairspray in my hair. I think I remember how she did it. Such a mess. Kara, do you want me to do your wig next?
No.
Now I'm bald.
Bald cap in the making, so I'm gonna kind of go back in on the cap and just like define it a little bit. Look at you with no hair.
I have a little ass
Look
head.
at you.
So
It
cute.
looks like you're actually bald.
Oh my god.
Bald and beautiful.
Really gluing it to my head. And then I remember Cam using hairspray, and she really sprayed it to my head. Are we recording?
Yep.
Oh, great. Oh, it's starting to dry. And then you're just gonna cut. Ouch. Cam, what are you doing with scissors by my head? Guys, you
I'm
hang out
cutting more
with
of my hair
Cam,
off.
and this is what she's doing to me.
Trust me with my hair, she said.
I'm proud of us. So then I'm gonna go like this. Suck my earrings.
Yeah.
Alright, guys, now we're going to put the wig on our heads.
Oh my god! Look at you, Natalie.
I love it.
I'm starting to really like. Okay.
We're
you
gonna have to
could
get
be a
used to
blonde.
it, yeah.
You could be a blonde.
Oh, not so bad. Not as perfect as Cam did it, but not as bad as I thought it would be. I forgot this part. I forgot how she glued this part down. Oh my gosh, Cam. We're
still not done.
All right.
All we did was press it out.
I
How do you
love it.
feel?
I'm so excited.
So this is 18 inches of hair on you, and it's like down to your butt.
Yeah.
Yes.
This is it. Okay.
Look at
I'm ready.
you. Oh my
conquer the
god. You look so freaking cute.
I have long hair again.
New hair. Now you see.
New
this
me,
is why I
2020.
said you named your personality
Yes.
after your wig goes on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
'Cause you feel her.
You feel her. So I don't know who she is yet, but
I
you
don't know.
come up with me.
I will.
Blonde.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
There we go.
Blonde is your alter ego.
Oh, it is.
Oh my god, you have a line in your head from the wig cap. When I was looking in the screen, I'm like, oh my god, she's got a really deep wrinkle.
No, my
It's from the wig cap. Now that I'm closer.
No. And then you have to put that foundation on the hairline part. Yeah, and it's okay if I look pale because she looks pale.
Right.
Yeah, I feel like the more alcohol I drink, the more my stomach debloats.
That's a strange concept. I wish that worked the same for me.
That foundation looks so good.
I say that every
It's
time.
airbrushed. It literally looks like you airbrushed my skin. Oh, hair in my mouth. Oh, that smells so delicious. What is it?
I don't know if it's the Il Makiage setting powder or if it's my brush cleaner.
Oh, your brush cleaner. I just inhaled powder.
Picking up the Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Brow Color in the shade Medium. Stila, Smitten Kitten. We're going in with Stila, also Smitten Kitten. It must come as a duo.
Yeah. Oh, a little highlight. Let's go. Dude, it looks so good. This makeup looks sick.
Now Stila Magnum Mascara. For lips, we're using Stila Cosmetics Sheer Patina. Gorgeous.
Oh my gosh, this looks sick. I'm obsessed with this blonde wig. I just need Cam to like install it for me next time again. This is it. This is the look.
Is that even on the other side?
Yeah, it's even. It's Khaleesi.
It's Khaleesi. I hurt my back.
What?
Spinal.
Spinal.
My back is broken. Spinal.
What's that girl's name? The little goblin.
Pity pussy. Woke sloppy goblin. Is that what you're turning into right now?
Yeah, I'm actually getting into character. All right.
You look great.
You're in my video right now, Sissy. Say hi.
Hi.
All right, rate my look. And who do I look like?
You look like Khaleesi.
Hey, that's who we're trying to look like. All right.
Dragon Queen.
Dragon Queen. All right, love you. Bye.
All right. You're doing great.
Thanks. Bye. I was concerned for a second, but like I'm here for it. I was really
Gorgeous.
concerned. This is really beautiful. I love the look. So now I'm going to just get some hairspray. Set it all up. I'm going to take my Beach Waver Prep Brush. Just going to brush it out a little bit. Here we have it. Khaleesi. I'm obsessed. This looks so good. How do I say her name? Khaleesi? Khaleesi. There you have it, guys. This was my Game of Thrones makeover for Halloween. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial using all Beach Waver and Stila Cosmetics products. And this is it. I'm obsessed with the look and I am ready to have some fun. Adios. Love you guys.